What's the meaning of this?
Babe.
No, what's the meaning of this?
You know I've been waiting for so long to propose to you. This is the best moment for me.
Why are you proposing to me on one knee now?
What is wrong with it?
Everything is wrong with it, though.
But this is the actual way for me to propose.
Everything
Just this way.
Everything is wrong with it. You didn't even take me to the beach, you know, the romantic places to propose to me. And you couldn't on a main road they propose that to me. You're still using one leg.
Well, it's engagement too.
Use your two legs, no. Go on your two knees.
Babe, I'm not praying to God now. It's to propose to you.
No, go on your two knees now. You can't be kneeling down with one leg. Go down with your two legs now. And be romantic. Be romantic.
If I'm romantic now, you know I love you already now.
Romantic.
You know what is going on? I'm trying to propose to her. Baby, say yes now. Say yes to me now, please.
He's not kneeling down with his two legs. Kneel down with your two legs.
Kneel down with his two legs?
Yes.
Have you seen where they kneel down with two legs to propose?
I've not seen that before.
See, baby, for you to prove your love
baby,
to
just
me.
say yes, say yes.
Wait, excuse me, because for you to show that you love me, you use your two legs. You go on your two knees.
This ring is expensive. We start show the love
Baby,
on
go on
it.
your two
Say
knees.
yes now.
You know I've been. You know how long I waited for.
Go on your two knees now.
Please.
You use your two legs.
Please.
You didn't take me to Dubai and propose to me. Even ordinary Malawi here, you didn't take me there, and you're here. You're still kneeling on one of your legs. Kneel down with your two legs.
Oh, baby, no.
Hello, sister?
Go down.
Yes, I was actually coming to you.
To show that you love me.
Just come and meet me in number 2A. Yes, there's a little drama going on here. Just come and meet me here.
Two legs.
Yeah.
Everything is wrong with it. You didn't take me to Dubai and propose to me. You proposed to me on one leg now.
Babe, stop this thing you're doing. I just say yes now.
Yes,
I'm not doing one now.
Babe, take the shakara you're doing.
I'm not doing shakara. He needs to propose to me on his two legs.
I love you now. You know I love you.
If you truly want this marriage, you will go on your two knees. You can't propose to me with one leg. You can't. You can't. Propose to me.
The drama. I don't know what is going on here.
So you have to propose to me with your leg. If you truly love.
Yes, that's you. That's me. It's you. Oh my God. Don't say it. You did it. I miss you. Where have you been? How have you been? Your number is no longer going.
Yes, I traveled out.
Oh my God.
You contact.
I've missed you. Look at you. You're so beautiful. This is my baby. It's my baby.
It's Perky.
It's your brother.
Baby,
It's my brother.
Wait.
It's your brother.
Oh, you guys look alike.
I'm short of words.
This your sister.
What is happening?
First love.
honey,
First love.
honey.
Don't worry. Wait. Hold on first. It has been my first
Just
love.
hold on first.
Do you understand? Since day one, when we were in secondary school.
Yes.
This is my first love. Do you know what it means? First love.
My God.
You mean this is the guy that you have been telling me about?
See,
That guy. Oh my goodness.
Honey, we were in the middle of something.
hold on first.
No, you
Don't
were
worry.
doing
Hold
something.
on.
You were doing something.
Hold on. Don't worry. I'm coming. I've missed you so much.
Perky, I missed you too.
Oh, hi. If you know how I've been trying to reach you and I couldn't reach you, your love has been ringing on my head.
Oh my
but
God.
I can't control it. I don't know what to do because I don't have a means to reach you. Do you know that I'm almost about to make a mistake? A very huge mistake.
Honey?
Babe, this is the best opportunity for me right now. This is the best moment in my life. God brought you to rescue me for the mistake I was about to make. But thank God you are here.
Oh my God.
So right now, I don't want to waste any time anymore. This is my best opportunity and I want to make use of it. So babe, I want you to know that that love I've been telling you all this while is still fresh. 100% fresh. See, no mistake, no more mistake. I love you so much and I would like you to be my lover. Will you marry me? Yes. Say yes to me.
Yes. Yes. Hey.
Yes, it is beautiful.
Check me, my brother.
Oh, thank you, my brother. You are waiting. I want you to come in. Huh? Come on, will you get it? Come on. If I'm you, what's wrong with you? Yes, the man that will kneel down in two legs. You saw a woman that just accepted me with one leg.
You cannot
Just mind her. Please, let's go. What is wrong with you?
Wait.
Don't mind her. Let's go.
Wait. I'm
Honey, please go. Please go. Here I am. Please. You. Honey, please go. Honey.
Let's go. Enter.
Honey,
Enter, let's
I'm
go.
kneeling down.
Kneeling down for who?
My toilet.
This was I was doing. You refused me.
I'm ready. You. I'm ready.
Don't worry. Leave that place. I will run on you. Leave that place. Can you imagine? She was asking me to kneel down on my two legs as if I'm praying to God before I can propose to her. She should go and wait for a man that will do that. Leave there. I will run on you. Leave there. I think you should leave there. Leave there now. Leave there now. Sense. Go and look for a man for your.